So it's 6:30 in the morning. We arrived at Foz do Iguazu at the bus station, and now we're trying to head to the hotel and see if we can check in earlier or we can just leave the stuff, because our check-in actually officially is at 3 p.m. In our hotel, they just let us in immediately, no problem. We have to change the room, but at least we could catch 1 hour sleep. We could get rid of all of our stuff, and now we are looking for some breakfast, and we go to the Parque das Aves, the bird park, which is right on the side where you go to enter the Brazilian side of the Iguazu Falls. Okay. Não, você é linda, sem problemas. So I just wanted to tell you that the place where we had breakfast was like a museum of cakes. Like there was that happens like all the time with us. Like we always do we hurt each other like physically. And now we just asked our way through. Like, I mean, she's speaking Portuguese, I speak Portuguese, and we just asked, and we're sitting now at a bus stop that goes directly to the Brazilian side of the falls. That's the entrance to the bird park. I thought it's on the same spot than where you go on to the Iguazu Falls on the Brazilian side, but apparently they have different entry points. But you see, there's public buses going around. You just have to ask your way through, and you will end up at the right spot within a good time.
Tudo bem? Sejam bem-vindos.
Oi, obrigado.
Se quiser ir, não tem problema, mas aqui o tipo tá muito forte.
Tem Wi-Fi.
Por quê?
Eu não sei.
Por que vai querer Wi-Fi?
Como pode ser?
Estão reclamando da luz.
Entende você? We just got attracted by a woman who sold like vouchers for 20 reais, and it's a lunch buffet. Very typical meals as far as I could say. Those are the helicopter flights that you can book. So, okay, other thing, when you want to have a helicopter flight, it's in front of the bird park. Yeah, just go there and ask for the prices, or of course there's agencies in the center in town that can book in advance. And I also can do that, right, as a tourism professional.
Cadê ele? Marca, ele não tá mais aqui. Cadê a borboleta? Ficou muito bom esse vídeo. Borboleta!
Vem cá, tchau.